Hello everyone, welcome to Rita's Cooking Diaries. It's a pleasant weekend here and I'm going to share a few weekend recipes with you. Hope you'll enjoy it. For the morning breakfast, I made it simple bread toast. My mother used to call it Bombay toast. My friends used to call it French toast. But whatever it is, it's bread toast. So for that, I took an egg and after breaking it, I added a little bit of sugar, say 2 tablespoons or 3, how much ever sweetness you want. And then I added a little cardamom powder, also a little saffron. And then after beating it well with the fork, I added a little bit of milk to that. It depends on how much quantity you want. So I'm just going to toast a few slices of bread, the regular sandwich bread which you normally get in the stores. So I'm going to make just few pieces of that. So I took just one egg. If you're making more, then you can take more. After heating the pan, I added a little ghee to that. Also after that, I had dipped the bread slices into the egg and milk which I made, and I'm gonna fry it in the pan now. Keep adding little ghee on both the sides as you turn it. If you want, you can add butter or olive oil, any other oils, whichever you want to. But for me, it tastes better with ghee, so I prefer it with ghee in the mornings. The flavors and color of the saffron are really nice in this bread toast. So try them with saffron and some cardamom powder. It's an easy and very refreshing breakfast. So after the breakfast, I was busy in my cleaning routine, and then I noticed even Aryan was also busy leveling the lawn and cleaning the lawn. He likes to do some outdoor activities during the weekends, and it was really nice to see him do. So after that, I was getting ready to make my lunch. I was preparing tangy chicken curry. So for that, I took all these ingredients: red chili powder, masala powder, garam masala powder, turmeric, and coriander powder. Also homemade ginger garlic paste. I added all this and marinated it. I'm gonna make tangy chicken curry. So I'm adding little dry mango powder, which is available in the stores here. So all this, I'm going to mix it to the cleaned chicken and marinate it properly and then leave it for some time. I'm going to prepare tangy chicken curry along with Chinese style chicken fried rice. So first we'll be making the tangy chicken curry. For that, I took oil in the pan. And once it was ready, I added all the chopped onions. I'm also adding some curry leaves to this. When you make tangy chicken, the flavor of the curry leaves is really good. And then add a little bit of salt to that. Now once the onions are getting cooked, we can add the marinated chicken into it and then stir it properly. I'm also adding little jaggery to that. So for that, I took jaggery, chopped it into small pieces and then added it. It gives a special flavor, a kind of tangy flavor, which makes the chicken tangy. It's really nice with fried rice and also rotis. Now when the curry is getting ready, you can add little bit of water to it. It depends on how much gravy you need. On the other hand, I was chopping some of capsicum and frying it separately in a different pan with little bit of butter. I'm gonna add this fried capsicum at the end to the curry. It gives a different flavor and taste. So add the capsicum and stir it properly. Now the tangy chicken curry is ready. We can add the capsicum fried into this and also a little bit of soya sauce. So the tangy chicken curry is ready after adding soya sauce. Just leave it few minutes and then now you can take it into the serving bowl. I also garnished it with the freshly cut parsley leaves. In the meanwhile, we'll chop the chicken pieces into small pieces for the Chinese style chicken fried rice. Now we'll start our chicken fried rice. For that I'm using this olive oil. We'll take some olive oil in a pan and heat it for some time. And we marinated the small chicken cubes in the same way as the other chicken curry. We added little ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder and dhania powder. We'll cook this chicken for some time in the oil. It will take at least 10 to 15 minutes for this chicken to cook. Add a little salt to it and then get it cooked for some time. In the meanwhile, I took some rice. It's 2 cups of rice just for 3 people and I'm adding a little water to it. We can just light the other stove and cook it. We don't have to cook the rice completely. Once it's cooked 3/4, then we'll shift the rice into this chicken. I'm also adding a bay leaf, cardamom, cloves and cinnamon stick to the rice. We'll keep checking the chicken in between. Almost cooked. I'm squeezing half a lime into this rice so that it won't get sticky later. The rice will still be loose to make the fried rice. Since the chicken is almost cooked now, I'm gonna add some capsicum to it to make it look colorful and also some green peas. of the rice water. It's almost cooked, 3/4 now. Now we'll add the rice to the chicken. Stir it slowly. Now the rice can get cooked in the steam also for some more time.
No.
And then we'll add some soya sauce to the rice. Okay, the chicken fried rice in the Chinese style is ready now. The chicken fried rice into the serving bowl. The delicious colorful fried rice is ready. And since we use the olive oil, it's healthy as well. This was my weekend lunch, the chicken fried rice in the Chinese style and also the tangy chicken curry. I also bought some garlic bread home because normally on the weekends once you go out and come back in the evenings it's really difficult for cooking. So we can have the tangy chicken curry along with this garlic bread. It's a good combination. Hope you enjoyed my cooking. Do watch my videos and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. See you next time in another video.